long day? If your neck's tight, your chest feels heavy, or your spine's been holding tension since noon, this is how you let it go. In just 5 minutes, we'll calm your nervous system, release built-up stress, and close the day with intention. Stick around. Stretch 4 might change your sleep. Let's hit the mat. Come onto your knees. Bring your big toes together, knees wide, and melt your torso forward. Arms stretch out in front or rest by your sides. Forehead down. This is your moment of surrender. You're not just stretching your back, you're telling your nervous system it's safe to soften. I promise this 1 minute will slow your heart rate, quiet your thoughts, and make space for peace. Beginners, keep the knees closer together. Advanced switches, bring your chest lower and arms longer. Did you know this position actually mimics how we naturally rest in the womb? Stay here, just 5 more seconds. Do you feel space opening between your ribs and hips? That just grounded your body. Now let's gently open the heart. Lie on your belly, place your forearms flat under your shoulders, elbows tucked in. Lift your chest while keeping your pelvis rounded. This is gentle but powerful. I promise this stretch counters hours of slouching and helps reset your breathing rhythm. Beginners, stay low with a soft gaze. Advanced stretches, walk hands in slightly and lift the chest higher. Your diaphragm opens more when your spine is extended. So this move directly improves how deeply you sleep. Press down just a bit more. 5 more seconds. Can you feel the warmth rising in your spine? That just opened your front body. Let's soften the back. Sit tall and bring your right knee into your chest. Wrap your arms around it and gently pull in. This is more than a stretch, it's emotional. It's like telling your body, I've got you. I promise this will release tension in your lower back that's been hiding since this morning. Beginners, sit on a cushion. Advanced stretches, pull the knee closer, keeping the spine tall. Tight hip flexors often pull on your lower back without you realizing it. Hold this hug for 5 more seconds. Can you feel that softening in your lower spine? Let's switch. Left side. Now hide your left knee into your chest. Same gentle pull, same steady breath. As you do this, and notice if one side feels tighter than the other. That imbalance, we're addressing it next. 5 more seconds. Breathe into the release. Can you feel the difference from right to left? That just released your base. Now let's go deeper. Lie on your back, bring both knees into your chest. Wrap your arms around your legs. Gently rock side to side if that feels good. This one is powerful for your nervous system, yet almost no one does it right. I promise this decompresses your spine and signals your body it's time to rest. Beginners, keep the hands behind the knees. Advanced stretches, wrap the arms fully around the shins and squeeze in deeper. This movement calms your vagus nerve, critical for relaxation and digestion. Give yourself 1 more hug. 5 more seconds. Do you feel the weight lifting off your lower back? That just resets your spine. Now we melt the tension in your shoulders. Come back to your hands and knees or walk your arms forward. Hips stay high and melt your chest toward the floor. Forehead or chin rest down. It's like child's pose, but this one is all about your upper body. I promise this will undo tension you didn't even realize you were carrying in your shoulders and upper back. Beginners, keep your elbows bent. Advanced stretchers, try placing your chin on the floor to deepen the stretch. The shoulders are emotional storage units. This move helps release more than just muscle. Hold steady. 5 more seconds. You're right at the release point. Feel that upper pull in your chest? That's freedom. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts that clear mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.